In the heart of Silicon Valley, a revolution was brewing. It was 1976, and two young visionaries, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, toiled away in a Los Altos garage, fueled by a shared passion for electronics and a dream of bringing personal computing to the masses. Their creation, the Apple I, was a humble circuit board, a far cry from the sleek devices synonymous with Apple today. Yet, it represented the first spark of an idea that would ignite a technological firestorm. Jobs, with his marketing acumen and unwavering belief in the power of technology, saw beyond the rudimentary circuitry. He envisioned a future where computers would break free from the confines of research labs and corporate offices, empowering individuals to unleash their creativity. Wozniak, the engineering genius, possessed the technical prowess to translate Jobs' vision into reality. Together they formed a formidable partnership, their complementary skills laying the foundation for what would become one of the world's most iconic companies. The Apple II, unveiled in 1977, catapulted the fledgling company into the public consciousness. Its user-friendly interface, color graphics, and ability to run games like Breakout made it an instant hit, capturing the imaginations of hobbyists, entrepreneurs, and everyday consumers alike. Apple Computer Inc. was officially incorporated that year, marking the transition from a garage operation to a legitimate business enterprise. As the 1970s drew to a close, Apple's star continued to rise. The company went public in 1980, with its initial public offering generating more capital than any other since Ford Motor Company's debut on the stock market in 1956. Apple was no longer just a computer company, it was a cultural phenomenon. Its logo, a bitten apple symbolizing knowledge and innovation, becoming instantly recognizable around the world. The year 1984 witnessed the dawn of a new era in personal computing with the arrival of the Macintosh. Inspired by a visit to Xerox PARC, where Jobs and his team had witnessed the groundbreaking graphical user interface, the Macintosh revolutionized the way people interacted with computers. Gone were the cryptic command lines of old, replaced by intuitive icons, windows, and a mouse that allowed users to navigate the digital world with unprecedented ease. The Macintosh's launch was accompanied by an iconic Super Bowl commercial directed by Ridley Scott. The ad, a powerful allegory for breaking free from conformity, cemented Apple's image as a rebellious force in the industry, challenging the status quo and empowering individuals to think different. Despite its technological brilliance and groundbreaking interface, the Macintosh initially faced an uphill battle in the market. Its high price tag and limited software library hampered its adoption, particularly in the face of competition from IBM and its rapidly expanding PC ecosystem. Apple's internal struggles, including power struggles between Jobs and then CEO John Sculley, further compounded the company's challenges. In a dramatic turn of events, Jobs was ousted from Apple in 1985, the company he co-founded turning against its visionary leader. Undeterred, Jobs went on to found Next, a computer company that would later play a pivotal role in Apple's resurgence. Meanwhile, Apple continued to innovate, releasing new Macintosh models and expanding its software offerings. By the late 1990s, Apple found itself at a crossroads. The company's market share had dwindled, its product line had become bloated and confusing, and its once bright star seemed to be fading. In a desperate move to right the ship, Apple's board of directors made the unprecedented decision to bring back Steve Jobs, who had returned to the company fold through the acquisition of Next in 1997. Jobs' return to Apple in 1997 marked the beginning of one of the most remarkable corporate turnarounds in history. He wasted no time in streamlining the product line, cutting unprofitable projects, and refocusing the company on its core strengths, innovation, design, and user experience. His mantra, "Think different," once again reverberated through the halls of Apple, signaling a renewed commitment to challenging conventions and pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The iMac, unveiled in 1998, became the first tangible symbol of Apple's resurgence under Jobs' leadership. Its translucent, candy-colored case, a radical departure from the beige boxes that dominated the PC market, instantly captured the public's imagination. The iMac was not just a computer, it was a fashion statement, a symbol of creativity and individuality. The iMac's success went beyond its eye-catching design. It marked a shift in Apple's strategy, focusing on simplicity, ease of use, and integration between hardware and software. The iMac came bundled with everything a user needed to get online and be creative, from a built-in modem to Apple's suite of multimedia software. This focus on providing a complete and seamless user experience would become a hallmark of Apple's products in the years to come.